Everyone, I am Saidit and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's relative to the adaptive refresh rate comparison test between the Realme X1 Max versus Poco F3 GT versus OnePlus Nord 2. Let's see friends, which phone has got the really good adaptive refresh rate. So the word adaptive refresh rate means, so whenever you doesn't touch the screen, the refresh rate will automatically decrease from 120 Hz to the 60 Hz. So that is how it is designed. But let's see which phone has got that kind of mechanism. That is what exactly I'm going to show you. So first let's check. So whether I'm trying to use whether full refresh rate or not. So you'll be able to see on the top as well the number refresh rate. So I'm trying to use the real-time floating refresh rate during this time of testing. So as you can see in the settings options as well, I'm trying to use with the maximum refresh rate as well, 120 Hz, 120 Hz and 90. And as you can see 90 FPS we'll be able to see it in the OnePlus Nord 2 exactly. So all phones are using with the maximum refresh rate. So what happens is that if you don't touch the screen for some time, the refresh rate will automatically decrease from 120 Hz to 60 Hz in the Realme X1 Max and in the OnePlus Nord 2, but not in the Poco F3 GT. In the Poco F3 GT, it doesn't decrease. Let me try to slightly zoom in and show you. So now you'll be able to see the number, as you can see friends clearly. It decreased to 60 in the Realme X1 Max. And in the OnePlus Nord 2 also, decrease it to 60 in terms of the refresh rate, as you can see 60 and 60, but not decreasing in the Poco F3 GT. So in the Poco F3 GT, it is always staying around 120 Hz refresh rate only. That's the one thing you should know before actually buying the device. So I'm not saying it's a big deal, but maybe you might experience slightly more battery draining, but still I'm just trying to let you know what is happening. So I'll let you decide what is the final conclusion, but these are the results what I'm trying to get comparing all the three phones at same time. So not only in the home page, even in any application once you stop touching the screen after a certain amount of time, there is that kind of mechanism automatically decreases to 60 in OnePlus Nord 2 and in the Realme X1 Max. In the Poco F3 GT, you can see it's still remaining around 120 only, 120 Hz refresh rate. You can clearly see that. As you can see friends, exactly. So this is what I'm trying to talk about here in terms of the comparing all the three phones together. So you'll have a clear idea what is happening in this phone. So as you can see here, so exactly. So even in the Google Chrome application as well, even in the Google Chrome application also is showing same. So overall friends, this is one thing which I'm just letting you know, the Poco F3 GT, the refresh rate is not decreasing, it's always remaining at 120 only, always. So in any application, that's another good thing as well. You will experience really faster and smoother experience in this phone, but slightly little bit kind of draining maybe you might see. So that's the one thing which I'm just covering in this video. So there is no auto as well, so directly you can select 60 and 120, that's it. So thank you friends for watching this video, and in case if you have any other queries regarding this all of these phones, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to check the playlist which I have created. The playlist will clearly help you which phone is the best and why as well. See you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.